from the BBQ Pit Boys.com. Today we're cooking up a beef poutine at the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right, that's what I said, a beef poutine. You gotta check this out. All right, for this recipe, you're gonna need some SPG or seasoning. You're gonna need some frying potatoes. You're gonna need some cheese curds. You're gonna need some beef. We've got a tri-tip there. You're gonna need some water, some black pepper, some coarse salt. You're gonna need a gravy mix. You're gonna need some water. That's it. All right, let's put it together. Now, like I said, we're using here a tri-tip today just because we got a great price on it. And you just want to trim off some of the hard fat on it. If you can't get a tri-tip, use a round, right? Top round, bottom round. Perfect. All right, now we're going to hit it with some black pepper. You want to season it well. Hit it with some coarse salt, like that. And you're going to kick it up with some of our SPG. That's got, of course, some garlic in there, additional pepper and salt and other seasonings. It's perfect. Oh, man. Now you want to season well because this is going to bring a lot of flavor into this beef poutine, right? All right. All right. Get all them juices all lapped up there. Now, to the grill we go. We want to sear all sides of this tri-tip, right? We don't want to cook it. We want to sear it quickly, like you would a pot roast in the kitchen, right? When you're doing one of those pot roasts, you sear all the sides first with some oil. Well, you're doing the same thing here, but we're using fire, charcoal, a ton of flavor. Sear all the sides, just like that. I told you it's going to be easy to do. Oh, man, it's going to be good. All right. It has been seared into a Dutch oven pan, something with a tight lid. And now we're going to take some brown gravy mix. This is the real poutine part, right? The brown gravy. And per directions of the mix, we're going to add some water, about a cup. Put the cover on and let it slowly simmer. Perfect. All right, now, it's not a poutine unless it's got French fried potatoes. So you do your fried potatoes like you want, but it's pretty simple. Use a good frying potato, and you're going to cut up some wedges. Just like that, right? Oh, man. I think you figured out how to do it, right? All right, let's move on. Now, you want to soak the potatoes at least 2 hours, 3 hours. That helps get the starches out of it and makes for a crisp potato fry, right? You know all about that. All right, let's heat up some frying oil. So all you need is a heavy-duty cast iron pan. Add some veggie oil in there. And what we're going to do is flash fry these first. That's the trick to get real crispy fries for your beef poutine, right? So we're going to flash fry them just for a minute or two. Just like that first. And then after you've done that with your batch, let them cool down just a little bit, and then go right back to the oil. Oh yeah, crispy on the outside, soft and tender on the inside. You know about that, right? It's really important for your beef poutine, of course. All right. I'd say these taters are done. Back to the tri-tip poutine. Oh, look at that. You want to cook it till you can take a fork and just shred it. Pull it apart. Get it into all that gravy. Let that beef soak up that gravy. Oh, man. Now, halfway through this, you may have had to add a little bit of water, right? Just to keep enough gravy in there, but that goes without saying. And this is what you get. Look at that. Oh, man. Are you getting hungry or what? Now, let's set these up. We're going to serve them in this cast iron fry pan here. You want to layer it with your French fries on the bottom. And then you're going to take some cheese curd, right? These are actually aged cheese curd. These are garlic flavored. Of course, you can't use raw cheese, right? Pretty much anywhere. So these are actually aged to get rid of the bacteria, and they're perfect. Now, if you've never had cheese curd before, you definitely got to check it out. This is a Canadian classic dish right here. Has its roots in Quebec. When in Canada, get yourself some beef poutine. Now, you can make this real pretty. Chop up some parsley on top. And then we're going to take it back to the grill. Just warm up those taters just a bit. Oh, take a look at that. Can you smell that? It smells good. And if you can't, you're on the wrong damn channel. All right. This where Joseph Q, the pit master, is going to eat in front of you. And trust me, he's not apologizing. But you can make this yourself. Head on over to our website to get the ingredients. Oh, it's good. And while you're there, sign up a chapter. We'd be proud to have you. So remember this, the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.